What's going on, guys? Zero Shade here, just checking in with y'all. Today is June 25th, Friday, the day before the Branch Warren Men's Physique competition. So we are very close, okay? Yesterday morning, Thursday morning, I shaved my entire body. There is not one piece of hair anywhere. It's a weird feeling. I've never shaved my whole body before. I'm just, feeling my legs right now. It's such a weird feeling. Not only that, it's a pain in the ass, okay, shaving your whole body. I'm not gonna lie. This is the only time I'm ever gonna do it is when I'm doing a bodybuilding show. Hopefully the hair doesn't get irritated, but that remains to be seen. So yesterday morning, I shaved my whole body. It took a long time. I'm not very fast at it. And I put lotion on my entire body just to help keep everything moisturized and smooth and not irritated. Everything seems to be working out fine right now. I have a couple of notes here on what I've been up to. So I actually got my meal plan from my coach, and we made a little schedule right here, pretty much showing the timing and when I need to eat what meals. So you've got meal 1 at 8, meal 2 at 11, meal 3, 2 p.m., meal 4, 5 p.m., meal 5, 7 p.m., and then Saturdays right here for the show day, okay? It's very, very tedious. I didn't realize it was gonna be this crazy, but after every single meal, an hour and a half right after, I have to take a picture of myself posing, send that to my coach so he can see what the food is doing inside my body and what the food is doing to me. So the timing and the dosing, if so to speak, of the food is going to be very, very key here. I am very happy about this. For my pre-pump, before I pump up on the stage, my coach is letting me do 2 Reese's cups, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 20 ounces of water with 1 gram of salt, Himalayan pink salt. So really looking forward to that Reese's Pieces. And let me see what else I got here. Okay, I also packed up a whole bunch of supplements. I'm looking at that right behind you guys on the island counter. We've got almond butter, we've got extra oatmeal, we've got rice cakes, creatine, arginine, fish oil, because you definitely don't want to get inflamed. So fish oil is a very good thing to have. I've been having one soft gel 3 times a day just to keep the inflammation down, because my body has been through a lot this entire prep, and things start kind of compounding and building up. Even if you're stretching and you're getting sleep and enough water. And to be honest with you, these past couple days I've been getting 5-6 hours of sleep. I don't know if that's just the nerves before the show or the anxiety or what. It's my first show and I've been wanting to do one for 10 years. So trying to tell myself it's not a big deal, stay calm. Well, it is a big deal, and all the way back here, it is a big deal. I've got a suitcase packed with my competition outfit in there. I've got stretchy bands, dumbbells for pump up, because you never want to rely on if they have weights back there, because you know how people are hogging the weights in the gym. Well, they're probably going to do the same thing at the show, So I brought some 3-pound, 5-pound, 10-pound dumbbells. That should be enough. The rest of the stuff I'll do with my body weight, because I don't want to over pump up and oversaturate the muscles where the water kind of rises out and then it looks more fluffy. We're trying to look as hard as possible. Excuse me, I can't speak. As hard as possible, as lean as possible, and that's when the shreds are really going to show. So I can give you a little physique update. Just ate my first meal. And we'll see where we're at right now. It's the front, side, other side, straight on. So that's what we're working with right there. Feeling good, energy's good. I took a Benadryl last night to help me stay asleep, fall asleep, and I was worried about any kind of irritation that would have popped up right there. So that's pretty much it. Come here, Zeus. Come say hi to the people. Come here. Come on up. Come on up. Come Come on up. Come say hi to the people. Your boy. Look at that. Say hey to YouTube world. No. Look at that. Who's that over there? So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and we're about to head to the hotel in a few. See ya.